Hi folks, I'm going to be showing you this really cool app I found for wedding planning and stuff. I actually have two apps. The Knot is the one that we are using for our actual wedding planning. It has the budget, it has all kinds of cool stuff, and you can make a website, which I've kind of sort of started ours. This is kind of what we've got going on so far. Haven't got everything on, but you can add a wedding party. We're still working on it, as my groom still has to pick his best man and groomsmen and stuff. We kind of talked about it, but I've already got my side of things going, my handsome little groom. And then you can put like how they know you, like obviously like my best friend is my maid of honor because she's cool. My sister, our sister-in-law, she's a bridesmaid, and then we have our nieces, all four of them. So that's pretty cool. You can put pictures on there. It's really cool. And you can set up your registry. We haven't done that yet. Planning. This is actually a really cool thing. It has timelines of like when you want to get stuff going. Checklists are like smart. Start my guest list. I've actually started it kind of. We actually already have the venue, so I'm going to click that, and you can send the engagement announcements, which we haven't done that yet. We've already picked a pastor for our wedding. Did that. Create a weather plan B. We're going to get married inside a church, so we don't have to worry about the weather. So if it rains, it rains. We live in Wyoming, so Wyoming weather, anything can happen. You can click vendors, all kinds of really cool stuff, which I'm excited about. I'm actually doing a DIY planning it myself wedding, so that'll save us some money, because I'm a very in control person. I want to know all the details. I want to know everything down to the flowers, the dresses, the ribbons, everything. So this is just like our first website, and it gives you a countdown to how many days. So 344 days, which I'm really excited about. Our website, super cute. Like you could set your priorities of things. Building a registry. This part is really cool. It's called Your Wedding Vision. You take like a little quiz, and you like pick things that like seems to fit your personality and stuff. So ours is like a garden rustic type wedding. It shows our budget, our guest list, timeline. So I'm pretty excited. So the second app I'm going to show you guys is if you're looking for dresses, this is actually a really cool app. It's probably, I'm going to pronounce it wrong, Azazie. So I'm just going to open it up here. You can start an account. You can look at bridesmaids dresses, brides dresses. They have really good sales going on, so that's pretty cool. So like 20% off, like you can get a bridesmaid's dress for $30. So I'm actually pretty excited. The one thing I found that was really cool is you can go to your showroom and you can actually invite people to join. So I actually have my sister and my maid of honor on here. I did send an invite to my other bridesmaid. She hasn't had a chance to look at it yet. So they can actually, let's go back. Oops. They can actually add two things. Like I added a dress, it's gorgeous. I added that one, and it'll tell you who adds it. Let's see, And they have junior bridesmaids dresses. They have regular bridesmaids dresses. I think the one thing they don't have on here is flower girl dresses, which is kind of a bummer, because then you can literally get all the dresses the exact same color. And if you order all of your dresses at the same time, they will make sure that they are all dyed in the same batch. That way they are all the exact same color. See, that shows that Ashley added this one as like an idea thing. She added that one as well. And ooh, that one's really pretty. So yeah, just kind of a easy site to use, and you can look at all of them as a group together. So it's kind of a nice thing of like, if you have an idea of a dress that you have in mind, like I'm going for a lace kind of flowy, I don't really want to say simple dress, but you know, this is the kind of the style I love. The, you know, lace vintage, you know, and it goes with the Rush theme. Like the beautiful beadwork, the lace. And you can get dresses for like $300-400. So you don't have to buy like a $10,000 dress. It also has stuff for groomsmen. So you can always go to accessories. And it shows you ties, bow ties, vests, sashes. They even have like shawls. They even have like beaded sashes. They even have the stuff for like ring bearers. They have veils. Like a $99 veil. Like, come on. Doesn't get any better than that. It's rated 5 stars. And it tells you like the rating on it. I actually think this is very beautiful. So I'm probably gonna not add it to my bag, but I'm gonna heart it. And like when you push the little heart, it will show up in your showroom, so everyone in your group can see it. Well, that one's really pretty. $39 for that veil. That's like super beautiful. Ooh, I like that one too. And that's what I like about this, is you can actually find like stuff that like fits your style. So when you actually go shopping, or if you really like it, you can purchase it. It'll mail it to you. Ooh, I really like that one. Ooh, a cape. Yes, please. Be Superwoman. So yeah, that's just a simple little rundown of this app that I found. It's actually helped me quite a bit of like thinking of what style of wedding dress, like the color schemes, that type of thing. It's very easy to find kind of what you're looking for. And you can find like mother of the bride dresses. Obviously I don't have to worry about that, so oh, that's really pretty. See, like even some of these you could use like as a bridesmaid's dress. Like this would be gorgeous in blue. Like beautiful. Like look at how beautiful that is. Like the lace on the top, like that is very pretty. I'm just gonna heart that. So yeah, you can get on sale for $126, has a 3.7 star rating. Like that's very pretty, very simple. And it looks like it has plus sizes too, so that's what makes the difference of like dress shopping, is you want dresses that all your bridesmaids feel comfortable in, they feel beautiful, because like you don't want them to put on a dress where they just feel ugly and unhappy, because then they're sad and then that makes you sad, and not about that. I want everybody to be happy, feel beautiful, and have a good time. So yeah, so if you're planning a wedding, go ahead and check out this app. I'll go back to my screen. Check out these 2 apps right here. I'm gonna draw a little arrow. And so yeah.